So that's X pressure. So you probably see, I don't know, you probably got an email or something say, jump on a call, let me assess your business, jump on a call, see if we're a right fit. And that's just pretty much seeing what you need. Because I know it's so many people in my tribe, like, certain things that's not done, or they frustrated, but I got to find out why you're frustrated. Sometimes, like I told you, sometimes you don't have a vision. You don't have a vision. You just jumped in, like, oh, I want to do this. Well, why you want to do it? And I only know this. Why I know this? I'm qualified in this because that was my experience. I did it. That was me. Jumped in, got a business. Few days, I had it. I didn't know why I had a business. I just knew it sounded slick. It was something I wanted to do, babe. I knew I wanted to leave my job, but I didn't know why I wanted to leave my job. I didn't know I wanted to create a legacy. I didn't know I wanted to leave something for my little grandbaby. I didn't know I wanted to live my life according to my day-to-day, what I wanted to do. I didn't know I didn't want to no longer hit an alarm clock. I didn't know I wanted a house in Fiji. But I do now. All right, guys. So y'all ready? Shoot. I am Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I teach event creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients through premium draping. So if you are new to the platform, I want to know your biggest draping question. So post it in the comments below, and guess what? I may have a solution specifically for you.